It was more of just a hobby, a skill to impress my friends and my teachers, my mum and all that sort of stuff. I learned how to solve it off of YouTube videos, and it was more of a party trick than anything. I got together with a few of the guys who work at Skydiving, and we started planning how we're gonna do this record, the safety requirements and everything, because obviously it could be dangerous if I drop the cube and it lands on someone. So after a bit of planning and a bit of talking with everyone, we finally attempted the world record. And it was a lot harder than I expected. It ended up taking about exactly five tries to actually break the record, because it turns out it's very difficult to turn the cube accurately when you've got all that wind blowing in your face, trying to blow the cube out of your hands. You've got to hold it much tighter than on the ground. So it was a really huge effort from not just me, but everyone else around me, my family, my friends, everyone at Skydiving. I just want to say thank you to everyone who helped me break the record. It's been a dream of mine for quite a while to have a world record, and thanks Guavo.Media for showcasing it.
Beautiful. Congratulations. I think you got it.